So these are Vs-Flexi blue files. So the whole idea of these is that they just shape in the apical 3 or 4 millimeters, and they have a regressive taper. So it's like, this is a 1304, that's a constant taper file. The double red one is 1704, so that's a very small tapered file, which will get to length and make a nice shape without removing lots of coronal dentine. The yellow one is a 2006, so it's 2006 just in the bottom 4 millimeters, and then it's a smaller taper above that. The red is a 2506 apically, and again, a small taper, and the blue is a 3006. So in a lot of these really curved canals, we can make a nice big apical shape without removing all the dentine above it. I'm going to skip through this because I know you've got a lot of exercises to do, but this was the first case where I used the Vs-Flexi blue files. So when I looked at the x-ray, actually, I didn't think it was going to be that difficult. I mean, the canals look like they're very, very thin. But when I got in, it's like, look at the curvature that was on that. And the files just glided around that really nicely. I was kind of shocked when I seen the post-op x-ray, just how acute that curve is. But look how, if I was using a lot of the other systems, I would have a massive coronal flare to try and get the instruments around that. But instead, we've been able to have a really conservative shape to be able to, and still have like a 2506 apically here. So 2506 apically here, 2506 apically here. So we can fulfill our endo objectives, but we're going to keep a lot more tooth structure.